Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to simplify under square root 50 plus under square root 10 by under square root 50 minus under square root 10 equal what? So let's start with today's video solution. So under square root 50, first we are solved with method 1. So under square root 50 plus under square root 10 by under square root 50 minus under square root 10. If I'll multiply in numerator and denominator with under square root 50 plus under square root 10 by under square root 50 plus under square root 10. So in numerator it becomes an identity, that is a minus b, a plus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. So root 50 plus root 10 whole square by root 50 square minus root 10 square. So here a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we'll rewrite root 50 square plus root 10 square plus 2 times root 50 times root 10 by under square root 50. With the help of the square root removes, so it becomes 50 minus 10. So this becomes 50 plus 10 plus 2 root 500 by 40. So this becomes 60 plus 2 root 500 by 40. So this 500, we can write it as, if we divide it by 2, it's 250, 125. With 5, it's give us 25. With 5, again 5. And with 5, it's 1. So we'll make a pair at tan root 5, we can write. So it's 60 plus 20 root 5 by 40. So if I'll take 20 as common from numerator, so it's 3 plus root 5 by 40. So this gives 2. So it is equals to 3 plus root 5 by 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.